The world is being rebuilt right now, and most people don't even see it. Those who adapt will build massive wealth, while those who ignore it will be left behind. Artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation are not just trends. They are rewriting how money, power, and opportunity work. What's happening right now is bigger than the internet revolution, and it's happening 10 times faster. Welcome to the fifth industrial revolution, the moment where humans and technology merge to create a new economy right before our eyes. If you look back at history, every major industrial shift created two groups of people: those who adapted early and became rich, and those who resisted and fell behind. The first industrial revolution began in the 1700s with steam engines and factories. Ordinary workers protested machines taking their jobs, while entrepreneurs built empires from coal and steel. Then came the second industrial revolution with electricity, assembly lines, and mass production. The people who understood that machines create scale became industrial giants. Fast forward to the digital revolution. The internet replaced physical stores, information became power, and companies like Amazon and Google rose, while old giants like Blockbuster and Sears disappeared. The fourth industrial revolution with smart tech, apps, and cloud computing changed how we live, work, and connect. Uber replaced taxis, Airbnb disrupted hotels, and automation began transforming every industry. Now we are entering the fifth industrial revolution, and it's happening faster than ever before. This revolution is about the fusion of humans and machines. AI that thinks like us, robots that never sleep, and systems that make decisions faster than any human could. The World Economic Forum calls it the era of cognitive intelligence, where smart machines perform tasks at human level, but with machine efficiency. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the truth. This revolution won't wait for anyone. Jobs will vanish. Industries will collapse. But for those who understand it, new fortunes will be built. So how do you prepare? First, learn to use technology, not fear it. You don't need to be an engineer. You just need to understand how AI tools, automation, and data can multiply your results, whether you are running a business or investing. Second, identify where the money is moving. In every revolution, wealth flows to the people closest to innovation. That means industries like robotics, AI infrastructure, chip manufacturing, renewable energy, and cybersecurity. If you can't build in them, invest in them. Third, don't chase hype. Build long-term vision. Yes, there's an AI bubble forming. Even tech leaders admit it. But remember, when the dot-com bubble burst, the internet didn't die. It evolved. And those who stayed invested in the right ideas made generational wealth. The same will happen here. Some AI companies will crash, but the technology itself will redefine everything: finance, medicine, education, logistics, even how governments operate. You can't stop this change, but you can position yourself ahead of it. That's how real wealth is built, not by reacting to the world, but by predicting where it's going next. So as you watch this revolution unfold, ask yourself, are you preparing for it or waiting to be replaced by it? Because this, right now, is that once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The question is, will you see it in time?